Okay, all right. So today, what we're going to do then is to do day two of systems of inequalities, word problems, which really just are all regions questions. Okay, so yep, that's what we're going to do. All right, let's go. Okay, all right, more regions questions. So hopefully, because of from yesterday's lesson, that you got more understanding of how to do these sort of word problems. So today, my hope is go just a little bit faster. Okay, all right. So there are two questions here, and all right, let's see how this goes. All right, Edith babysits for X hours a week. So babysitting is X, right? For a job that pays $4 an hour. That's the first piece of information. The second piece of information is that she gets paid 8 hours as a librarian, working Y hours a week. She will work both jobs. All right. She sounds like she's more hardworking than even I am. She is able to work no more than 15 hours a week, and she wants to earn at least 80 bucks a week. Okay, so let's write these down. Now, for the blue, I will use the first equation. So she works two jobs, right? X babysit hours and then library hours. No more than 15 hours a week. So maximum of 15 hours. All right, and that brings us to this second equation. 8 hours, no, four, my bad. 4 hours for $4 per hour for babysitting. That sounds like absolutely nothing. All right, and then 8 hours in the library, and she wants to make at least, right, a minimum greater than or equal to $80 a week. Okay, so those are the two equations. Now, what do they want us to do? They want us to state one combination that earns at least 80 bucks per week and no more than 50. Oh, they want us to graph, actually. That's important. That's good to know. All right, we need to graph this. All right, so let's graph this. Okay, I'm going to work a little bit faster this time. So here we're going to isolate. I'm going to subtract x on both sides. So I'm just going to rewrite this. 15 minus x, right? And then for the second one, I'll do this. I'll do this up here. Okay, I'll subtract 4x. So that gives us 8y. Let me keep this up there. So 8y greater than equal to 80 minus 4x. Is that right? Divided by 8. Yep. Cancels out. So I got y is greater than equal to 10 minus half of x. Like that. Okay, so let's go to the graphing calculator real quick. Let's put those two in. 15 minus x. Okay. Now, what is that? Less than or equal to. Perfect. We already have that. And then 10 minus, let me make sure I'm recording. I don't know if you noticed, but in the last video, for the optional part, I forgot to press record. So I talked for like no reason. All right, 10 minus 0.5x. Like that. All right, now is that greater than? Yep, that is greater than. Good. All right. Let's look at the graph first. Yeah, that looks like a good graph. Very normal graph, right? Both both intercepts is at the origin, by the way. Those are zeros, right? Now let me look at the table of values. See what's the best way to graph this. All right, it's all the way down here. Oops, I'm going the opposite direction. Hold on. Just be patient. I didn't know that didn't reset. Okay, all right. Now what are we looking at here? Now, I mentioned this yesterday in the optional video, but then I didn't record it, so that didn't help. What I'm gonna do right now is this. I'm gonna record the x and y intercept for both of these. Because sometimes when you look at these points, you're like, I'm not sure exactly what to graph. So I'm trying to give you a like quicker version of this, right? Because if I know what the x and y axes are, then I know exactly like when you know, I could just plot 2 points and connect them with a dot. I mean, with a line, right? So let's take a look. Now for the red one, I know is 0, 15, and the one is 0, 10. So let me think what's the best what are the best numbers to use? Given these numbers, let's see, what's the table of values actually? -4 and then 19, -4, 12, 0, 15, 0, 10. Is there are there zeros here? 15, 0, 20, 0. Okay, all right, let me write those points down first then. All right, so 0, 15, and also 0, 10. And then let's go down. 15, 0. What's the other one? 15, 2.5. Okay, all right. You know what? I think we should go by fives then. Yeah, I think that might be fairly obvious. Hold on, let's see. All right, so let me grab the, like that. All right, now let's take the blue, take the 2 points. What is it? Um, I'm looking at 0, 15. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me count again. 1, 2. Oh, wait. 0, 15. I said I'm doing by 5. That might not work. Because that's too small. We might actually just go up by 1. Yeah, I think we can do that. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, right on. Okay, 15, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let me connect those. All right, just got myself a double ruler. Like that. All right. Like that. Write the equation down. Y is less than 15 minus x. Now, what about the other one? Oh, right here. So let's see. 0, 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right here. By the way, these are all solid lines, okay? What's the next one? I can't see that. What is that? 15, 2.5? Is that right? Yeah, 15. Wait, I don't care about 2.5 actually. I care about this. I need 20, 0. Oops. Yeah, this is 20, 0. Totally forgot about that. All right. So 20, 0. Oh, it's way past that though. How can we do this? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So somewhere over here. Oh man, I don't like that. I just want to be more precise. All right, somewhere over here. Now, I could do this. I could, because of this. So one of the things I really want you to do when you watch this is I'm always trying to present solutions that I myself encounter, all right, as a result of my own inadequacies, all right, when it comes to making these videos. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to look for the intersection. All right. Now, my take is that the intersection is somewhere around, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My take is that it's going to be somewhere around 11. Actually, no, it's 10, 10, 5. You see that, right? The intersection is 10, 5. So that's where they intersect. All right, so let me look for 10, 5, and I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to plot a point there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here, actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these 2 points, the first 2 points here, with an eye toward the last point that I couldn't quite graph. Okay, so let's do that. Like that. See that? Right? Not bad, right? I mean, all things considered. All right. Good. Yeah, looking good. All right, not bad. All right, I gotta shade this. All right, I think this is gonna be a one question video again. It's okay. All right, I might not even make an optional video. It's so much. This is so much work. All right, let's look at the shading. Blue is down, right? Because blue is less than. So let me go like that. Yeah, this is gonna be a one video, one question video. It's okay. All right. Like that. Yeah. Now technically, it's really like this. I mean, right? So okay, what's the other one? Red is greater than, so I'm gonna shade above. Like that. I'll kind of make this look nicer with some purple. All right, guys, I am not Bob Ross. I'm not a painter. All right, okay. Now I'm gonna do what we've been doing. I'm gonna label this S as the solution. Now, what do I want to know? Determine one combination. So basically, they're saying, hey, which one, like, give us one number here that would make Edith's life better, right? So I'm just gonna pick some random one, okay, just to make a point. So let me get a smiley face up here. I'll just plot it right here. All right, what is that? 1, 2. So what's one combination? 2 hours babysitting, right? 1, 2. So the point I can pick is 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2, 11. So 2 hours babysitting, and then 11 hours. What is that? 11 hours doing what's the other job? Library. Now, in some ways, that makes sense, right? Because if you really want to, like, if you have only a certain amount of hours that you have to work, right? So in this case, 15 hours to work, and you really want to make a lot of money, you work the job that pays more, right? So if the librarian job pays more, you work more hours doing that, right? So that's that makes total sense. So that's it. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna stop it here. And how many minutes do I have? I might actually just post the second one as a yeah, we're at 12 minutes. I might post the second one as a solution, as an answer key. Okay, I might just do that. So let me press pause right now, and then you can just check your answers that way. Okay, so that way it's only one video. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. So if you want to do this, press pause right now. What's happening? Press pause right now. Press pause right now and try this one. And then when you're done pausing, I'm going to show you the answer key instead, okay? Because that will save me a little bit of time also. So try this right now. Okay, all right, real quick. So, yep, this is the answer key. Okay, so what I did in blue and red, again, I did that. I isolated the y, right? I wrote down the x and y intercepts, constructed the graph, shaded it in, and noticed that that's the solution. And that's it. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.
OMG, that was so good.